What's up you guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video we're going to be announcing the giveaway winner for the AUXBEAM reverse LEDs. Even if you don't win in today's giveaway, just know I'm going to be doing a lot more giveaways in the future, including next week. For next week's giveaway, you're going to want to stay tuned. Alright, and for today's giveaway winner, there's not only going to be one, there's going to be two. So I know I didn't tell you guys that, but I did want to surprise you. So that way you guys have a bigger chance of winning. So like I said, there's going to be two winners in today's giveaway. If you do win, please make sure to email me right away. It will be in the description box below. I will also pin a comment down below with my email. And also you guys want to stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot more install videos in detail as always. You could probably see some of the parts in back of me on both sides, and I do have some that are being shipped as we speak. So I'm just waiting for all the parts to come in, and then I'll go ahead and start doing more install videos for you guys. I hope you guys have been enjoying the content, and I seriously appreciate each and every one of you guys that have subscribed and that have been just supporting my channel overall. You guys are like my friends. That's the way I see you guys. I mean, you guys probably already know, every time I reply to you guys in the comment section below or anywhere, I always call you my friends. Let's go ahead and do it. So I just finished entering everybody. There was nearly almost 200 entries. I think next time I'm going to do it a little bit different. I did not anticipate that many people to enter, to be honest with you. Before I pick the winners, I just want to say a big thank you to each and every one of you guys. I appreciate all you guys supporting all the videos and always commenting and everything. Like I always say, make sure to comment because I do like replying to you guys. In all honesty, that's something fun for me. Just reading your guys' comments and being able to reply and interact with you guys. So if you guys can, I mean, always drop comments. I'm always there to reply. If you guys always have if you guys ever have questions, just go ahead and ask because I will answer to the best of my ability, of course. Before I do click this button, I also wanted to say, please stay tuned. I mean, I'm going to be doing more giveaways. I'm going to be doing more installs. I'm going to be doing a lot more things on this channel, especially as it progressively gets bigger in number. It's gonna allow me to do more. So I mean, if you guys can, always share the video, share the channel. If you guys ever have suggestions on video content, including maybe walk around builds, I know some of you guys wanted me to do some videos like that. So enough talking, let me go ahead and pick the winner. Alright you guys, so there's gonna be two winners. Let's go ahead and see who the first one is. Good luck you guys. Alright, so first winner is James Kamey. I'm not sure if I said that right, but if you can, my email is in the description box below, and it will also be pinned in a comment down below. If you can, please send me an email, and I will send out your AUXBEAM reverse LEDs. So congrats on that. Alright, so like I said, there will be two winners. Let's go ahead and pick the second winner. Good luck. Alright, so Marcos Padilla, congrats to you as well. So if you can as well, send me an email and I will go ahead and send them out to you. For both of you guys, I am going to be sending out one of my stickers. This is just my logo. I have this on my right rear of my window. Just if you guys want to see how it looks when it's put on. Alright, so once again, thank you guys for entering. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. Thank you guys for everything. In all honesty, thank you. And always stay tuned to the end of all my videos, because if there was a blooper or anything like that, or I did something weird, I usually leave the bloopers in. So just take note of that. And congrats to the ones that won. Once again, make sure to email me as soon as you can. That way I could go ahead and send your guys' lights out. Alright, so I'm going to leave you guys at that. I'm going to put in a couple clips from the last trip that I went to. I didn't make a video on it, and it's not enough clips to make a video of. So it's just going to be a bunch of random things put together. But it's just for you guys' entertainment. So whoever stayed till the end, like I said, always stay till the end. Alright. Oh, one more thing I forgot to say. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.